Alright guys, so today we are going to Valga, another town in Estonia on the border with Latvia. So I'm going to try and get down to Riga by train. Just have to figure out how to get there by train. Alright, here's the train. Get on here first class. See what happens. Oh, go ahead. Alright, so let me give you an update on exactly what's going on here. So it turns out that I can only take the train to Valga in Estonia. From Valga, I will be getting on a bus to a town in the middle of Latvia, and then I'll have to do a transfer in that town, and then I will take another bus to Riga. So one tram, or a train if you want to call it that, and two buses. So we're now leaving Tallinn here, and we're headed towards the border with Latvia, where I will catch those buses. This here is a look at Estonia's countryside. You can see very green forest and small cottage houses along the way. Man, this train has been one of the most on-time trains. Like, I think it hit every station at the right time within a 5-minute window. We are now 3 hours into this. We've been on this train for 3 hours, and we're almost to the border with Latvia. Well, the weather has changed as we're pulling in here to Valga. Bye-bye train. Hello, Valga. Now I gotta cross the border. I don't even know how this is gonna work. Hopefully it's something like air travel where you don't have to show any passport or anything. Oh no, it is really pouring rain here. I feel like there's lightning. I don't know though. Oh my goodness. Dude, of all the places to have this rainstorm just out of nowhere pop up right where I'm going next. Great. Let's see if this taxi will take me to the border. Or across the border. Oh man. Glad I'm not walking in this. And we're almost there. Okay, I'm officially in Latvia now. We just kind of crossed the border. There was no immigration or anything. I'm gonna go in here and talk to them about getting a bus. This is where it gets difficult, challenging. Okay. Riga. Okay, well, according to Google Maps, the next bus leaves around 5:30, but there's one at 6:15 which goes straight to Riga. The other one that leaves at 5:30 requires me to actually do another transfer where I'll be at that station for 45 minutes if I took the next bus out of town. I just don't know how comfortable I feel with transfers, because I don't know if they're going to be full buses or if they're going to have a seat even though it's a Tuesday. So we'll see. But so far people are friendly, not getting any negative vibes or anything off people. So I'm now going to get some water, maybe a bathroom or food, But I'm so glad the sun's out again, because that was looking ominous, the way that storm just rolled in on me. Hopefully I get down to Riga. That was a bit of a big task that I decided to bite off today, to do that. Airports are a pain in the butt, but sometimes they're really just super good getting there, right? But buses and trains, it's kind of a unique situation when you're in a foreign country, that's for sure. Not a bad thing, it's just an adventure. Alright, let's see what they got in here. Oh, it's like a mall. Oh, they got some travel stuff. Alright. Uh-huh. Alright. It's like a mall. Okay. Well, I stopped to get a pizza. See how this is. I'm really trying to get away from processed foods, but it seems like here in Europe I can't get away from them. Alright, so now the bus, we're doing a transfer from that town there, and I'll wait there for an hour. Bus will take me almost halfway there, and it costs $2. So I'll have an hour transfer in Semilita, I think is what it's called. I'll see you there. Smoke break. We're taking a smoke break for the driver. Minister Road. Beautiful Latvia, huh? Turns out the reason he actually got out of the car to smoke was because there's road work going on. I think they're paving the road. Okay, well, we've arrived in Smiletini. And yeah, we are now definitely in Latvia, and the bus apparently leaves in about an hour, so I've got an hour to hang out here. What shall I do for an hour in Smiletini? I don't see any bars. So a big bus has just arrived. I'm not sure if this is the one going to Riga. It's double-decker. That'll be great if it is, but it would be about 15 minutes early. So I don't know what to think. Hopefully it is, though. Well, it does say Riga, so I guess this is it. So it turns out that one wasn't it, but this one is. Okay, cool. Thank you. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm gonna go to the top. So I gave him 10, he gave me like 4 back, so I'm measuring like 6. Alright. Ow. Just hit my head. Okay. Oh my gosh. After 9 hours of travel on one train, 2 buses, we've arrived in Riga. It's actually looking like a pretty cool city coming in. I was surprised. Kind of reminded me of when I went to Vienna, Austria. I don't know exactly how much everything costs, but I want to say I did the whole trip for around $30. I know that the two buses total was just about $10, 10 euros. So everything else seemed pretty good. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up. It's commotion. I gotta get to my hotel. I don't even know where I'm at. I gotta look on the map. Suppose I'm at some bus station, obviously. But yeah, about 30 bucks. I don't think that train to the border costs any more than 20. Okay, here's the bus stop, actually. Bus station. Oh, they got a little seating. I'll probably see that if I end up taking the bus to, still don't know the name of the city. I'm calling it Vilnius. It's in Lithuania. It's the next country down south. Oh man, what do we got going on here? What the heck happened there? Looks like a demolition. Oh my gosh. It's nighttime out here in central Riga. Central area. Lots of bands pumping. It is approximately 9 p.m. It's about 17 degrees, or around 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Celsius. In the evening, I would say middle of July, although we're getting close to late July. Just wanted to show you kind of the scene on a Wednesday night down here.